Want a new way to train your dog? Get the basic tactical dog collar from Tough Puppy and see a difference in your training. This collar is made for safety, security, and control of your fur-legged companion. This is a short clip of a high-quality nylon personalized collar, being given to me by Animalo. Now available with our custom plastic buckle available in 6 colors. Easily logo your company using our special printing technique on the metal plates for the padlock and the 1/2 rounded metal D-ring that attaches to all of our styles.